Hey, you ready? Maggie, look, Megs, go get it.
Come here, Owen. I'm waiting for you.
What's wrong, Megs?
Oh, it is coming down. It's getting harder. Come on, Owen.
Yeah.
Come on. Molly wants to turn.
Megs,
Where's Ash? Oh, down there.
go get it. She is literally like, if anyone asks what the snow depth is, it's about a dog deep. Okay, I'm watching.
Watch out, Ash. 1, 2, 3.
Here I come!
Woo, we finally made it. It's finally packed out enough.
Yes.
You dry and warm?
No,
Kel?
neither.
How about you, Megs?
Don't ruin our sled run.
Yup, you're on the run. Pup.
Okay, someone bring a sled. Where's the other one?
That's down there. The third one?
Yeah.
I didn't bring it.
Owen, bring the sled up. Ashley, no.
Come on, Megs.
Come! Come on,
Woo. Keep going. Go to Mama.
Come on. Oh, that's a good girl.
Good girl, Max. Okay.
Go play. Go play.
Do you get your boots stuck? Hey, oh. How you doing?
Believe the snow? Molly's getting hot.
You tired, Max? What are you tired for?
Trying to get by.
Go by. Go. Go frolic. You gonna last. Go get Ash.
The sled is gonna go.
Go get her.
There. There's too much powder.
Go get her.
I'm gonna get the sled run.
There's too much powder.
I know, right?
The dog's that shape. She's.
Push me.
No,
How did Ashley get up?
she walked.
How you doing, Max? Keep going.
I'm using my arms. They go like this.
And he's like, Maggie, come.
No,
Come here.
that's hilarious.
Woo. Hi. Let's see. Do some snow prancing. Go get it, Max.
Swimming.
Maggie, come. Oh, good girl. Where you going now? You're silly.
She's crazy.
I don't think she really likes the snow too much. Really doesn't want to get in it.